6 days into the shutdown and no sign of compromise.
The president realizes that he's going to have to give something in order to get what he wants, and he doesn't want to go there.
Even if the government shut down, the people who chose to shut down the government are now day by day discovering all the important things and the bad consequences of shutting down the government.
Since the shutdown started Tuesday, the Republican-controlled House has passed several measures to fund specific government services. Some of those measures would fund VA benefits through December, pay National Guard and Reserve personnel, and restore funding for the USDA's WIC program. Other measures awaiting House vote would restore funding to Head Start, the FDA, and the Department of Education's Impact Aid program. The question is whether those measures would pass the Democratic-controlled Senate. Some of the measures have sat on the Senate calendar for almost a week with no action taken. Most of them attracted only a couple dozen yes votes from House Democrats. Not every measure is at a standstill. Congress has passed a measure to provide back pay to furloughed employees, and on Saturday, the Department of Defense ordered most of its civilians to go back to work this week. That should help reopen base support services like this commissary at Whiteman Air Force Base. Even if the other funding measures go into effect, many other services, including some Social Security functions, temporary assistance for needy families, and the USDA's Rural Development Program would remain in jeopardy. Missourians using those services would have to wait a little longer for relief. In New Bloomfield, Garrett Bergquist, KRCG 13 News.